How to install 8-light Lilith gold linear chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Carefully pass the fixture wires through chosen stems. Then screw stems onto fixture body. Attach quick links to loops on canopy and stems. Pass the wires through loop and canopy, gently pull till snug. Install bulbs. Place glass shades on sockets. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.